Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you a simple question. Why do some people study English for years but still cannot speak confidently, while others begin speaking after only a few months? What is their secret? Is it better grammar? Is it a higher IQ? Is it natural talent? No. The real secret is one simple habit. They speak English every single day. Not because they are perfect, not because they know thousands of words, but because they practice using the English they already know. In today's story, you will discover why speaking English every day can completely transform your fluency. You will also learn simple techniques that even absolute beginners can use starting today. So stay with me until the end. One idea from this story might completely change the way you learn English forever. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Silent Learner. There was once a young man named Daniel. Daniel dreamed of speaking English fluently. He imagined traveling around the world. He wanted to communicate with people from different countries. He hoped to get a better job someday. So he decided to study English seriously. Every morning, he memorized 20 new vocabulary words. Every afternoon, he practiced grammar exercises. Every evening, he watched English videos on YouTube. Before going to bed, he listened to English podcasts. His phone was full of English learning apps. His bookshelf contained grammar books, vocabulary books, and dictionaries. Wherever he went, he carried a small notebook. Whenever he found a new word, he carefully wrote it down. Whenever he learned a useful expression, he highlighted it with different colors. He believed that knowledge alone would make him fluent. Weeks passed, then months. His vocabulary became larger. His grammar became stronger. He could understand many YouTube videos. He could read easy English stories. He even scored very well on online English tests. Everything seemed perfect. Daniel smiled proudly. "I'm improving every day," he thought. "Soon I will finally speak English fluently." But life had another lesson waiting for him. One afternoon, Daniel visited a famous park in his city. The weather was beautiful. Families were walking, children were laughing, tourists were taking pictures. As Daniel sat on a bench reading an English book, a foreign traveler approached him. The traveler smiled warmly. "Excuse me," he asked, "could you tell me where the nearest train station is?" It was a simple question. Daniel understood every single word. Train station, nearest, tell me, excuse me. He knew them all. But suddenly, his mind became completely blank. His heart started beating faster. His hands became cold. Thousands of English words filled his memory, yet not one sentence came out of his mouth. He opened his lips. Nothing. He tried again. Still nothing. The tourist waited politely. Daniel felt embarrassed. Finally, after several long seconds, he quietly said, "I'm sorry, I don't know." The tourist smiled kindly. "No problem, thank you." Then he walked away. Daniel remained on the bench. He wasn't sad because he didn't know English. He was sad because he realized something shocking. He had spent hundreds of hours studying English, but almost 0 minutes actually speaking it. That evening, Daniel looked at his notebook. Hundreds of pages, thousands of words, countless grammar rules. Yet one simple conversation had defeated him. For the first time, he asked himself an honest question. Have I been learning English the wrong way? That question changed everything, and the answer would soon change his entire life.